Is your VW Passat's alarm randomly activating? The most common culprits are faulty door microswitches and a failing siren battery. Microswitches, located in the door jambs, detect door closures. If one is stuck or corroded, it can send false signals to the alarm system. A weak siren battery, typically a 9-volt type within the siren unit itself, can also cause alarms to cycle repeatedly or not sound at all. Use an OBD2 scanner or VW-specific app to check for error codes like those in the 75BEX series, which often indicate alarm-related faults. Also, try manually checking the door switches, looking for corrosion or damage. Replacing faulty door microswitches is often a straightforward DIY fix. Aftermarket parts are now readily available and more affordable. For the siren battery, locate the siren unit under the hood or behind a wheel well and replace the battery. These need replacement every 3 to 5 years. For software-related issues, try an alarm reset by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes, or use a key fob sequence with lock-unlock cycles. For advanced resets, use VCDS software. Regularly clean door jambs and check the siren battery annually to prevent future false alarms.